welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and today I've got a really fun gift idea that you can make using paper napkins and a Mod Podge. I'm going to be creating these adorable holiday soaps. These are so fun and easy to make, and they're really great to give. So if you need those last minute gifts for your neighbors, your teachers, your sisters, this is a perfect project for you, and it's super family friendly. So grab those kids and you can create this together.
The first step in making these cute holiday soaps is choosing your holiday napkins. Then you're going to grab some bars of soap. Most soap come with a logo imprinted on them. You can either use a knife to scrape that off, or you can use any other kind of tool or scraper. This is actually a tool that I got at the dollar store, and it's for your die cutting machines. You'll just use the scraper until the entire design is gone, and then use the scraper to smooth the edges. To prep the napkin, we're going to separate the plies. We're only working with the top printed ply, and then you'll cut out the design motif. For this, I'm using dishwasher safe Mod Podge. You are okay to use regular matte Mod Podge as well, but the dishwasher safe holds up a little bit better in the water. You're just going to apply the dishwasher safe Mod Podge directly to the top of the soap. Then you'll place your piece of napkin onto the Mod Podge and smooth with your fingers, and then apply more Mod Podge to the top. Once that's dry, you're going to apply 3 more top coats with dry time in between. Once your top coats are dry, you're going to let that cure for 72 hours before you use the soap. Yes, you can use this soap in water, and Mod Podge is non-toxic.
All right, look at how cute these turned out. Now, I did these for the holidays, but of course you could do these for every day, just using floral napkins or monogram napkins. The ideas are endless. And if you're giving these as a gift, you can wrap them up so many different ways. I'm using a soap saver that I got at the dollar store, and I just used a little twine there. You could put a bunch in a cello bag. You could put them all in a basket. Really, the ideas are endless. They're just so fun and easy to make. Now, like I said in the video, you can use your Mod Podge matte formula, or you can use the dishwasher safe. Either one's gonna work, and yes, these soaps can be used. All right, thanks so much for joining me today. Please use those hashtags Mod Podge and Plaid Crafts so everybody back at Plaid can see what you're making. I'll be back here next week with another fun video for you. Have a crafty day.